Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another beauty review, first impressions video. Today we are reviewing a product I wanted to try for the longest time, and today is the day we are doing it. It's the lip sleeping mask from Laneige. Laneige. It looks like this. It's pretty famous on social media, on TikTok, on Instagram, on YouTube. Many beauty gurus, they're talking about the product. I'm always looking for great products to incorporate in my skincare / beauty routine. And today we're trying this one. It's for all skin types. Let me check. It's a sleeping mask, but I want to try it now when it's during the day, but also we can try it also in the evening, and then I will update you on the next morning. This one is the original, the berry scent, and it's nourishing and plumping, and yeah, wake up to baby soft lips. This nourishing overnight lip mask is enriched with berry mix complex to leave lips soft and smooth. Sounds amazing. So it comes with a small applicator. It's nice with the logo. It's a silicone kind of applicator. Looks like this. Like really nice. Here is the packaging, so cute. And here is the product inside. Yeah, it's berry scent, really pleasant, but it's not super strong, which I like. This is how my lips looks like right now. Nothing on them. Let's take a little bit. Okay, I have no idea how much. I'll get like this amount. At Sephora, the lady told me that you can use it on a daily basis, also as a balm. But it's basically a sleeping mask, so it's supposed to be used during the night. Really comfortable. It's not sticky. You can see it's not sticky at all, which I like. Yeah. You have a really nice sheen. So that's that. Now it's like 10 o'clock in the morning, and I will check in with you maybe 2 times more, let's say in the afternoon, then in the evening. We will gonna apply one more layer before night, and I will check again tomorrow morning so I can share my experience with you during the night, and yeah, check in with you later. Hi guys, it's around 10 o'clock in the evening. I showered and did my skincare routine, and now I want to finish off using again the mask before going to sleep, and in the morning I will update you how my lips feel like. I will apply like a thick layer now. I'm looking in the viewfinder to apply it. Okay, I think that's enough. Again, the feeling is really nice. It's not sticky, which I like, and overall it's a nice feeling. Now I'm going to bed and see you in the morning. Bye. Good morning, guys. I am really sleepy. As you can see, I wanted to show you the lips after this night, and they look a little bit plumped, which I like, and they're not super soft and smooth like it claims to be, but plumping effect I can see for sure. Also, I will use the product a couple of times, more times, and then I will update you in the description below, so you can check out after like a month or so, and I will update you how I like the product. As you can see, I'm talking really slow because I am still sleeping. But yeah, these are the lips. Yeah, plumping, they're plumped, not that soft. But yeah, it's a new day. I will apply some makeup and then again put it like a bomb on the lips. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also follow me on Instagram. It's Mariya Marinova. You can see more content from me there, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.